Let's meet our friends from N to Z. Each one special, as you will see. They dance and play from day to night. Join their journey, what a sight! Newt is nimble, Otter is spry, Penguin slides under the sky, Quokka grins with joy so wide, Raccoon tiptoes in moonlight hides. Dance along from N to Z, animal friends happy as can be. Swans swim smoothly to campfires high, Uriel leaps where mountains lie, Vulture glides in circles wide, Walrus claps in the seaside tide. Sing it loud from N to Z, in our chorus wild and free. Seaman swoops over the foam, Yak trudges in his highland home. Solar struts with stripy flare, in our song they're quite prepared.